chow they provided me. And you can't really tell, but it's frozen and hard as a fucking rock right now, so I can't fucking eat it. But I'm not complaining. That's a good way to start a weekend, huh? Trevor Cunning, eating his nasty ass frozen food, the chow.
This is nasty as hell, son.
Courtesy by the Navy.
Yummy?
Oh, yummy.